In a perfect world, we would be able to practice our technique in a super musical way so that it feels like we're practicing songs instead of technique. So what we've got for you today is a really, really fun way to practice your sevenths chords that sounds really musical and will give you all kinds of great ideas for improvs, for your own compositions, and just a way to incorporate sevenths chords into your playing. So we're going to be playing with what's called the 4-3-2-1 progression. Sounds kind of cool. And the chords we're going to be using are D major 7, so build a D major chord, D, F sharp, and A, and add the 7th tone of the major scale, which is C sharp. Then we're going to have an E minor 7, so E minor chord with the 7th note on top, so E, G, B, and D. F sharp minor 7, so we're just moving up, F sharp, A, C sharp, and E, and then a G major 7, so G, B, D, and F sharp. So with these 4 chords, there are so many really, really fun and exciting things we can do because they sound amazing together. These are commonly found in R&B styles of music, and so the first way I'm going to show you to kind of use this to practice your technical skills on sevenths in a musical way is by just playing these chords in a broken fashion. So let's start up here on that G major 7. So all you need to do is this. Just play it in a descending broken fashion and then travel down to that F sharp minor 7, and then there's the E minor 7, and there's the D major 7. So it sounds really cool, and once you build some speed, you can climb back up as a little run. It sounds super fun and so musical. And again, you're getting really comfortable with these sevenths. Make sure that you're allowing your wrist to rotate as you play these because otherwise you can get a little bit tired very quickly. So good posture and technique is super important. So another thing you can do is sort of play around with these in terms of like a progression. So maybe you'll start on the G and then move down to the D. And this is where things kind of start to feel like a song and you can kind of get into more of an improvisational or songwriting state of mind. You could just play them solid. You could break them up. It sounds so dreamy. There's the F sharp minor 7 with a D on the bottom. Same 4 chords. We're just kind of experimenting with the order. You can invert them. And then you could just walk your way back up. The possibilities are seriously endless. So have fun getting comfortable with creating these chords, getting familiar with how sevenths can be used within a chord progression to create something that sounds super exciting, and then work on your technique a little bit with these sort of broken chord shapes and inversions. So hope you enjoyed this. Comment below and let me know what you think, and have so much fun.